Corduroy's garden. Dig, dig, dig. Plop, plop, plop. Pat, pat, pat. There, said Lisa. My beans are all planted. Lisa watered the seeds. Then she picked up Corduroy. Come on, Corduroy, she said. I have an important job for you. She took Corduroy inside and put him in a chair by the window. I want you to watch the beans, said Lisa. Then off she went to school. Wow, said Corduroy. I get to watch the beans. Corduroy got right to work. He watched and watched. He saw a man next door raking, and a lady walking her baby. Soon the sun began to feel warm. Corduroy yawned. Then Corduroy fell sound asleep. Jingle, jingle, jingle. A puppy pushed open the gate and began digging. Dirt hit the window. Corduroy woke up and looked out. Oh no, cried Corduroy. The beans! Rap, rap, rap. Corduroy rapped on the window, but the puppy kept digging and digging. Then plunk, the puppy put his bone in the hole. Flick, flick, flick. He buried it and left the garden. I have to find more seeds, said Corduroy. Corduroy looked in Lisa's desk. He looked under the bed. Why, here are some seeds, said Corduroy. Corduroy put 3 seeds in his pocket and went to the garden. Dig, dig, dig. Plop, plop, plop. Pat, pat, pat. There, said Corduroy. The beans are all planted again. This time, said Corduroy, I will make sure to watch the beans. And he did. He watched them on sunny days. He watched them on rainy days. He watched them on all the days in between. Soon 3 little shoots came up. They grew and grew. The stems wrapped around the stakes. Corduroy kept watching. The plants grew leaves and flowers. Then little beans began to form. Corduroy clapped his paws. I must be getting good at bean watching, he said. He put on his sunglasses and got back to work. Then, jingle, jingle, jingle. Oh no, thought Corduroy, the puppy! The puppy was back for his bone. The puppy stopped and looked at Corduroy. His ears went up. Arf, said the puppy. Corduroy shut his eyes. But the puppy did not take the bone. He took Corduroy instead. The puppy played toss with Corduroy. Corduroy flew up and down, up and down. Then the man next door said, No! Thunk. Corduroy fell to the ground. The man picked Corduroy up and dusted him off. I know where you live, said the man. He took Corduroy home, and just in time, the school bus stopped out front. Lisa ran through the garden gate. Oh, look, she cried. I see beans on the vine. She picked up Corduroy and ran to see. Lisa held a bean in her hand. She turned it from side to side. Ooh, said Lisa. This is not a bean. It's not, thought Corduroy. Then what is it? It's a green pepper, said Lisa. A green pepper, thought Corduroy. Is that good? I love green peppers, said Lisa. Oh, whew, thought Corduroy. Corduroy, you did a great job. I always wanted to do a great job, thought Corduroy.